To tackle the impacts of culture shock, we need to move quickly towards globalized mindsets.
With globalization, cross-culture education has become critically important to individuals at professional and personal levels.
The truth is, the need for action is real. The transition has already begun, but it is time to break through.
Break through historical cultural barriers, and create an effective, culturally sensitive, and safer world. Break through policies of the past, and rewrite the future. Break through slow-moving economies, and refocus on social value.
Depromat is particular about how industry norms are evolving, and the recognition of national, regional, and ethnic differences in manners and the methods enables us to overcome barriers in multicultural projects with a global solution. To breach through cultures, we need to take action now. It's our future, and together, we can break through. Will you join us?